people, I hope you are doing fantastic, great. So in this particular lecture I will be talking about the matrices. Yes, you heard a very correct, that is all about the matrices. See, there are thousands of people, thousands of students, right? They used to pronounce this like a matrices, but it is not a matrices, it is a matrices, right? And it is in a plural form, matrices. It is in a plural form of matrices, but the word matrices has come, it has been derived from a word that is known as matrix, right? Matrix. Matrix is a singular, matrices is a plural, right? So before starting such chapter of matrices, let me say something very important about that. As you know very well, in your class 10 beta, in a one paper, in a board examination, there are having two sections. Let's say you are having a paper of 80 marks, right? You are having a paper of 80 marks, which is all about 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours, and each paper is divided into two sections. Section A, section B. Section A, section B. While a section A is mandatory. Section A is a mandatory. Section A is mandatory of all about 40 marks. While section B, in a section B, it is also 40 marks. It is also 40 marks in a section B, children. But the most important, in the section B, 7 questions come. 7 questions come, and each question stands for 3 bits. Each question stands for a 3 bit, alright. And 7 questions comes, and each question stands for 10 marks. So, and out of the 7 questions, you have to do only 4 questions. You have to attempt only 4 questions, right? As you know very well. If you don't know, just try to get it, just try to know the very information regarding it, alright? So 80 marks paper, children, 80 marks paper, section A, section B. It is divided into 2 tabs, section A, section B. In the section A, all the question you have to do it, which is a mandatory of 40 marks, and as well as in the section 2, 7 question is going to come, which is, and out of the 7 question you have to do 4 questions, right, which is in mandatory 4 questions. And each question stands for 10 marks, right? 7 questions, 70 marks. After that, 44 question you have to do, right? Acha, one question stands for a 3 bit. One question stands for a 3 bit, right? In this way, questions generally you have to do, but the most important in the matrices, only 5 marks question. 5 marks question generally comes from here. 5 marks question generally come from here, and in which 2 marks is a mandatory, and in which 2 marks is mandatory from the chapter, which is none other than matrices. Is it clear, children? All right. I hope the very clean, I hope the blueprint, even if the marking weightage of the chapter is a bit clear to you, as well as the 3 marks will be lying on section B, which is all about 40 marks. So let us start the matrices, right? From the word matrix, matrices is formed. Matrix is all about a singular form, children. From the singular form, the matrices is plural has been made. And remember, the matrix is always written in such bar bracket, you can say it is, sorry, square bracket, right? The matrix is always written in a square bracket, in this way. Rectangular bracket also say half of the rectangular bracket, in this way. Do not write in this way, ऐसे मत करना, ऐसे होता तो कोई determinant बन जाता है, determinants, right? What is a determinant? Which will be reading in the 12th classes, 11th classes. So I don't think which is needed for here. So it is all about a matrix. Matrix is always written in the square bracket. Acha. The inside of the element, let us say 2, 4, 6, 8, something like that, the number is given. Such number is known as elements. What are the number, beta? Such number is known as elements. Very deep, very fundamental I am talking about, as well as from the standard 1 to standard 9. This chapter you did not read yet. So standard 10, in the standard 10, this chapter you are going to read. If you cannot understand, do not worry about that. Be with me, and I'm damn sure after the session get over, after the video get over, definitely you the people can understand very well. It's my promise to you, children. Yes, it's my open promise to you. Just be with me, right? So what I was saying about the matrices, children, it is all about a square bar bracket, and inside the number which has been written is all about elements. I hope the concept is clear, a bit clear to you. Acha. Now let us say this is known as 4, 8, 6 and 8, right? This is all about a matrix. It is a matrix. How many? Because why it is a matrix? It is a matrix, not a matrices, because only one matrix is formed. That's the reason it is a matrix. Acha. See, These two four is known as a row. This 2 4 is known as a row. Row 1, row 2. What is row 1, row 2? In a row 1, 2 and 4 lies. In a row 2, 6 and 8 lies. So I am talking about the horizontal line. Horizontal line, right? Horizontal, which is known as horizontal lines, which is known as a rows, right? This is all about the rows. Okay, and the matrix or as well as matrix is always written in a row as well as column. Okay, so what is a column over here? Okay, this 2 and 6 is known as column, this 4 and 8 is known as columns, this 4 and 8 is known as columns. Is it clear? And this is all about the vertical lines. What beta? No, vertical lines. Okay, vertical lines. So here I think the concept is clear, children. So ऐसे जो बेस वाला जो रहता है, this is all about the base. Okay, 2 4 is known as a row, 6 8 is known as a row 2. So this is all about the rows and the columns. So how many columns and rows are there in this? How many? Generally 2 rows and 2 columns, right? So here is a matrix, children. Let's say 2 4 6 8, and how many rows are there? How many columns are there? The 2 rows are there, children, as well as 2 columns are there, right? As well as 2 columns are there. Is it clear? I hope the concept is pretty clear to you. And the most important is that see while teaching also, I would like to recommend all the children to please make a note. Now making a note is very important. Okay, whatever I am teaching is different, whatever you will be writing is different. So making a note is very important. Acha, see, let me take another example. 2 4 6 8. Suppose this is all about the matrix. Is it clear? Acha, so how many rows are there? How many rows are there? Number of rows. Can you say me number of rows? Automatically, children, the number of rows is 2. Why? Because 2 4 is a row, 2 4 is known as a row 1, 6 8 is known as 6 8. The both is known as a row 2 beta. So how many rows are there? 2 rows are there. How many columns are there? C1 column 1, C2 column 2. C stands for column, right? How many number of columns are there? So number of columns are how many beta? The 2. So see, so how to write it down? This matrix M 2 cross 2, that is all about 2 by 2. That means 2 row 2 column. First we have to write row. पहले row लिखते हैं, उसके बाद column लिखते हैं. Is it clear? So M2 by 2 children means M2 by 2, M2 cross 2. Is it clear? Acha, let me make another example to you. All right, so let us take 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, let us take this. All right, so can you say me how many rows are there? Generally 2 rows, children. R1 R2. Okay, but horizontal line, this is horizontal. Okay, this is a horizontal. ये वाला पूरा horizontal होता है. This is a horizontal. Okay, row 1. How many rows are 2? How many rows are there, children? 2 rows are there. How many columns are there over here? Is column 1 beta, column 2, even if column 3, right? If I ask you how many columns and rows are there, if I ask you, can you say me? Yes, you can say matrix. M stands for matrix. M2 cross 3. That means you have to do 2 by 3. Okay, we have to read cross. It's insect. Just hold on. Yeah. All right. See. So if I say you that how to write M2. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट रो. पहले हमें रो लिखते हैं, उसके बाद हमें कॉलम लिखना चाहिए, उसके बाद हमें क्या लिखना चाहिए बेटा? कॉलम लिखना चाहिए. पहले कॉलम मत लिख देना, पहले उसके बाद रो. नो, दैट इज इनकरेक्ट. इट इज प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट, राइट? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट रो, सेकंड यू हैव टू राइट कॉलम. 2. So how to read is we have to read M2 by 3. But we are writing in the form of cross, but we have to write M2 by 3. I hope the concept is pretty clear to you. Yes? Alright. So let us take an example. If I say you children, if I say you now, write it down. M 3 cross 4. Can you write it down? If I say you write a matrix of 3 by 4. Now you might be thinking, sir, how to write it down? The matrix of 3 by 4 is very easy. It's very easy. How to write beta? If I say you write the matrix of 3 by 4. 3 stands for पहला वाला क्या? पहला वाला जो लेटर आता है, पहला वाला जो नंबर है उसे रो पकड़ते हैं, उसके बाद कॉलम. सो व्हाट? 3 rows. First of all, 3 rows. Let us take an example. Any example I can take. 1 2 3, any example, 3 rows. First I have to write beta 3 rows. Okay, 3 rows I have to write. How many rows? 3 rows. So 1, 2, 3. I'm taking any examples, right? Any examples I'm taking. That doesn't mean why sir you are writing 1, 2, 3. Can we write ABC? Yes, you can write ABC. Let us take, you can say ABC. ABC also you can write, no problem regarding it. Acha. How many columns are there? 4 columns. Children, see how many rows I have taken. 3 rows I have taken. 3 rows. Row 1 beta, row 2 as well as row 3. Is it clear? Achha, I think the concept is pretty clear to you. Number 4. Here say 4 columns are there. How many columns? 4 columns. It is all about column 1 beta. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Is it all about? And column 1 beta, column 2, column 3, column 4. I think you can understand pretty well. Okay, R1. So if I say what is the write the matrix of 3 by 4. So 3 is all about a row beta. How many rows? 3 rows. R1. A, D, G, I, J is all about R1. B, E, H, K is all about R2 children. C, F, I, L is all about R3 children. How many columns? A, B, C is a column 1. D, E, F is a column 2, G, H, I is a column 3, J, K, L is a column 4. I think the concept is pretty clear to you, right? If it is clear to you, kindly just note it down as soon as possible so that I will be starting the next topic fast. Children, now we will be writing about the element of matrix. Element of matrix. What do you mean by element of matrix? Can you show me, children, element of matrix? Yes, very well. Acha, element. As you know, A, B, C, D. Okay, what did I say in the very beginning? That A, B, C, D is all about a element. Inside the matrix it is all about a element. I think the concept is clear. A, B, C, D, that means A, B, C, D is all about element, right? Inside whatever it is given, this all is element. So now you might be thinking that if it is an element, so if I ask you, very important, if I ask you, can you say me the how many rows are there? You will say yes sir, I can say. Can you say me yes? How many rows beta? Na R1, row 1, row 2. 2 rows are there. How many columns are there, children? C1, C2, 2 columns. So if I write it down, how to write it down? This M equals to 2 cross 2, which is all about 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. Done. Is it clear? This is all inside it. Everything is all about an element. Is it clear? But if I say you now, that let us understand this. What beta? Now 0, 3, 4, 6, 8, 3. If I say using, no, let me say this. Let me write it down this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So what it would be now? So you can say, sir, it's very easy. What? How many rows are there? Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. 4 rows are there. That means first we have to write M. Matrix of M is all about a 4 by how many columns are there? 2 columns are there, right? 2 columns. Column 1 beta, column 2. That means A, C, E, G is column 1, B, D, F, G, F, H is all about column 2, M, 4 by 2. I think the concept is pretty clear to you. What did I promise in the first beginning of the lecture? That the concept will be very easy to you, children. The concept will be very easy to you. Yes, I am going very fast. Okay, so my energy is very high, you know, but now at the same time I hope that in the same energy you are also learning from me, right? Let us start with another new concept that is all about types of matrices. So I would like to recommend you, please note it down as soon as possible fast. See children, now it is all about a type of matrices. As you know, as you got to know about the matrices, the confirmed details about the matrices. See children, you were reading from the standard 1, from the first grade to 9th grade, you were reading something entire different. But when you came to the 10th grade, the matrices which you came into understand about the matrices, definitely it will be taking little bit difficult to understand, but do not worry, the concept will be clear to you. If you cannot understand, then you can pause the video, rewind it, and you can see it very well. I am talking about the concept, and yes, the question which is going to come in a board exam, like you know, in the midterm exam, in a board exam. Midterm exam stands for the school exam. Board exam stands for, you know very well what is all about a board exam. And yes, children, in the case of board examination, children, very important topic I'm gonna talk about. As I said before, 5 marks question is going to come from the topic which is all about matrices, as well as the question is going to come, the 2 marks, the mandatory question, the mandatory set A. ऑलराइट, द सेक्शन ए 2 मार्क जो पूछा जाता है, 2 मार्क इसी से ही पूछा जाता है, द कॉन्सेप्ट से ही पूछा जाता है 2 मार्क. डू नॉट से 2 मार्क आते हैं प्रॉब्लम, नो, The in ICC board, generally in case of mandatory, generally case of section A, all the questions come from fundamental. I repeat, fundamental. How the question come? Let me have a demo of it. The question will come in this way. The another name of row matrix is known as dash. The another name of row matrix is known as what? Row vector. What, children? A row vector. All right. What is a row matrix? Row matrix is a matrix in which has only one row, beta. What? एक ही रो रहता है, उससे बोलते हैं रो मैट्रिक्स. रो मैट्रिक्स इज अ मैट्रिक्स विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ ओनली वन रो. फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट मी से दिस ए बी. अनदर एग्जांपल, -7 6. नेगेटिव लिख सकते हैं? यस, यू कैन राइट नेगेटिव इन केस ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, नो प्रॉब्लम रिगार्डिंग इट. अनदर एग्जांपल, 1/2 4/5. This is all about, this is all a row. How many rows are there? As you can see, one row. Here is also one row, here is also one. Did I say over here that only one column, only one row? Now you might be talking about, so column, what about the column? Yes, how many columns you want to put, you can put it over here. For example, -7 6, I can put here 8, I can put here what more, -3. So 4 column also I have done here, no problem regarding it. But remember, in case of row matrix, only you have to put only one row. That means it should be in a one row, right? It should be in a one row. Okay, for example, A, B, I can put here Z also. I can put here E also. I can put here F also. Are you getting or not? I can put here G also. So how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are there. No problem regarding it, children. 6 columns, 7 columns are there. But remember, you should have only one row. That is all about a row matrix. As well as the most important to say, the row matrix is all about a row vector. Acha, column matrix is also known as column vector. Column matrix is also known as column vector. Very important. याद रखो इसको, पूछा जाता है एग्जाम में, राइट? पूछा जाता है. And which consists of only one column. Only one column. Only one column. Only one column, children. Only one column. For example, can anyone example? Yes, very important. A, B. How many rows are there over here? 2 rows. Row जितना भी हो, 1000 रो भी रहने से कुछ प्रॉब्लम, मगर कॉलम एक होना चाहिए बेटा. The row is all about one row. Another example is all about over here is 3 4. Right? This is all about a 3 4. Another thing I can even say that 3/4, 3/4, 2/7. Right? 3/4, 2/7. This is all about a column vector. Acha, column matrix. Column matrix is a matrix which consists of only one column. I repeat, only one column, as well as it is also known as column vector. I think the concept is pretty clear to you. Let us start with the square matrix. Fast. Note it down as soon as possible, children. Okay. All right. So let us start with the square matrices. You might be thinking, sir, why I am so worried, that hurry, why I am so hurry, what I wanted to finish it fast or not. So I am not in a hurry. It is all about a natural style. I hope you are getting understand this in a well and clean manner, right? Square matrix. What is a square matrix? Very easy one, right? Very easy one. This is very easy. Square matrix is a matrix which consists of only 2 columns, 2 rows. Which consists number of columns. This means number of columns is equals to number of rows. कॉलम और रो इक्वल होना चाहिए किसमें? स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स में. फॉर एग्जांपल m 2 गुना 2, 2 क्रॉस 2 विच इज ऑल अबाउट 2/2. फॉर एग्जांपल a b c d. Okay, a b c d, that means number of columns should be equal to the number of rows. How many rows are there beta? 2 rows. How many rows are there? Row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. How many columns are there? 2 columns, 2 rows. So that means number of columns should be equal to the number of rows. Similarly, in case of over here is that I can even write it down 7 minus 7, 17. 17 over here also, let me write it down as a 7, right? 77. Okay, this is all about how many rows? 2 rows, 2 columns. Okay, this is all about number of rows and number of columns. Is all about a square matrix. Very, very important. Please note it down as soon as possible. Let us start with the rectangular matrix. See children, rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. What is a rectangular matrix, children? Rectangular matrix is a matrix in which number of rows is not equal to the number of columns. Number of rows, beta, wait, excuse me, number of rows is not equal to the number of columns. Number of rows is not equal to the number of columns. For example, let me write it down. M stands matrix 3 cross 2. ओके 3 क्रॉस 2, सो हाउ कैन आई राइट 3, पहला जो लिखते हैं, पहला जो नंबर आता है उसे रो बोलते हैं बेटा। कितना रो ना, 3 रो, 3 रो मतलब ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच आई, राइट। Okay, let us do this. How many rows are there? 3 rows. R1 beta R2 beta R3, right? How many columns are there? 2 columns, C1 C2. Now you might be thinking, sir, alphabetically galat ho gaya, no problem regarding it. So I am just giving an example to you people that you should understand very well, right? That means the number of columns is not equal to the number of rows, which is all about a rectangular matrix. I hope the concept is pretty clear to you. Another example, let me give that. Another example over here. I'm writing over here. Okay. I'm writing over him. That means what? A B C D. Sorry. A B C D E F. That is all about M3 cross 2. Here is also M3 cross 2. M2 cross 3. Sorry. M2 cross 3. M2 cross 3. That means 2 rows, 3 columns. This is all about a rectangular matrix. This is all about a rectangular matrix. I hope the concept is pretty clear to you. Let us start with another matrix. Fifth number of matrix. Please note it down as soon as possible. Okay. So children, let us start with the fifth number of matrix. What is the what the first number of matrices we have discussed? The first number of matrices we have discussed, which is all about a row matrix. Second one is column matrix. Third one is square matrix. Fourth one is rectangular matrix. Fifth one is, this is all about जीरो मैट्रिक्स। अच्छा, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ये वाला याद रखो बच्चा, एग्जाम में आता है, एग्जाम में आ भी सकता है, एग्जाम में आएगा भी। कौन सा ना, जीरो मैट्रिक्स इज आल्सो नोन एज नल मैट्रिक्स, NULL, नल मैट्रिक्स मतलब पूरा जीरो ही हो जाता है, नल मैट्रिक्स। दैट मीन्स ऑल द एलिमेंट्स आर जीरो, ऑल द एलिमेंट्स आर जीरो। Okay, I guarantee my children, the way I am speaking very fast, the way I will make you write in your exam very fast. You have to be with me. You have to be with me, and definitely the way I am having all the energy right now, you will be having all the energy while writing the paper in your examination. It's a promise to you, my children. Just be with me. Okay. So zero matrix as well as also it is known as a null matrix. For example, को बता सकते हैं, example यही होता है ना, 0 0 0 0, no matrix. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, whatever you do, that is all about a what beta zero matrix. It is clear. Number 6. Okay, null matrix gaya. Then after diagonal matrix. What is the diagonal matrix, children? Diagonal matrix is a matrix in which diagonal रहता है, all the matrix would be zero except few of the matrix. For example, this is known as a diagonal matrix. 3 4 5 0 0 0 0 0 0. All right, this is all about a diagonal matrix. डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है बेटा? डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स खाली डायगोनली कुछ नंबर रहेंगे, नंबर, एनी नंबर, रिपीट नंबर ना, एनी 3 4 5, एनी नंबर. यू कैन पुट इवन 7 8 9, इवन यू कैन पुट ABC. I can even put in this way ABC. All right, now you might be thinking, sir, why we will write in this way? We cannot write in this way. Yes, you can write in this way also beta. That in this way also you can write it down, that 3 sorry in this way also write 3 4 5, in this way also you can write it down. This is all about zero matrix. I hope the concept is pretty clear to you, right? Matrix, unit और आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स, ये वाला एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है बहुत बार. 2000 एवरी ईयर इट गेट रिपीटेड, यू नो, एवरी ईयर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 2013 from this topic the question is getting repeating in the section number 1 मार्क वाला पूछा जाता है. यूनिट मैट्रिक्स, अदर नेम ऑफ यूनिट मैट्रिक्स आल्सो नोन एज आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. उसे आई से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. जब तुम न्यूमेरिकल करोगे, जब तुम प्रॉब्लम करोगे, आई विल मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डू मीन बाय आई. ओके, यूनिट मैट्रिक्स इज आल्सो नोन एज आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. आई से डिनोट किया जाता है. उनमें से डायगोनल सिर्फ एक ही रहता है, कुछ इस प्रकार का बेटा, कुछ इस प्रकार का. ओके, अच्छा, it is all about a 2 by 2 matrix, right? अच्छा, then again here also I can even say what beta, now 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is all about a identity matrix, unit matrix. Very important logic is all about the matrices. I hope the matrices, the entire concept of the matrices as well as the types of matrices you have got confirmation, right? Now we'll be reading of the transpose of matrix. Very important transpose of matrix. What beta? Now transpose of matrix. What is the transpose of matrix, children? See, transpose of matrix beta. So what do you mean by transpose of matrix is beta? See, for example, 3 4 5 6 7 8. Some matrix is given in this way. Let us assume 8 is given, A4 3 4 5 6 7 8. Transpose of matrix means we have to write in this way, a to the power t. That means transpose of matrix a to the power t. तो कैसे लिखते हैं? Very very important बेटा. This is all about a column 1 बेटा. This is all about a column 2 बेटा. The column will become row. यहाँ पर जो कॉलम जाएगा रो बन जाएगा. Are you getting or not? कॉलम रो बन जाएगा, मतलब 3 4 5 कॉलम है, वहां पर रो बन जाएगा कुछ इस प्रकार का. आई बात समझ में? यहां पर कॉलम 2 वहां पर जाएगा तो रो 2 बन जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल 6 7 8. आई बात समझ में? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स. Okay, another example let me take. What is the another example, children? Another example let me take is all about in this way. 6 7 8 5 minus 7 minus 9. चलो इसको अभी ट्रांसपोज करेंगे बेटा. A is given, a to the power t. Transpose of matrix we will be doing. How? Row is given, we have to convert into column. ये वाला जो रो है ऊपर वाला रो 1 बेटा दिया गया है, ये वाला रो 2 दिया गया है. रो 1 को कॉलम 1 बना देंगे. 6 7 8 को बनाते हैं कुछ इस प्रकार का. 5 -7 -9. आई बात समझ में? पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन, कॉन्सेप्ट पूरा क्लियर. मतलब रो बन जाएगा कॉलम, कॉलम बन जाएगा रो इन केस ऑफ ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. आई बात समझ में? चलो चलो जल्दी नोट इट डाउन as soon as possible. Now we will be doing a lots of things like that. See children, I have taken out example, a very good example. All right. See, find the value. Okay, find the value of x, y, a and b if this matrix would be given over here. ये वाला एग्जाम, ये वाला है बेटा. See, I have taken out this example from what you know, from ML Agarwal book, from ML Agarwal example number 3 and from the Conscience Selena book example number 1. All right, page number 115 the Conscience book in the ML Agarwal example number 3. चलो देखते हैं कैसा होता है. Can you recognize which type of matrix it is? Can you recognize which type of matrix it is? Find the value of x, y, a and b. x का वैल्यू, y का वैल्यू, a का वैल्यू, b का वैल्यू निकालना बेटा, जिनमें से कुछ इस प्रकार का दिया गया है. Now my question is to you all people, can you recognize which type of matrix it is? Come on, say me. अरे भैया ये वाला स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है बेटा. What is the square matrix? Square matrix है the matrix in which number of column is equals to the number of rows. Number of column कितना है बेटा? कॉलम यहाँ पर 2 कॉलम है ना. कॉलम 1 बेटा, कॉलम 2, कॉलम 1 कॉलम 2, राइट. रो 1 रो 2, हियर इज आल्सो रो 1 रो 2. Is it clear children? Is it clear? So this is all about is equal, that means number of column and number of rows are equal, which is all about square matrix. Acha. So now what is given? So I can even say in this way that x -2 equals to 0, right? So I can say x equals to 2. That means I have got the value of x. पूरा क्लियर, बात खत्म. y बटा दिया गया यहाँ पर, y equals to 3, बात खत्म. y का वैल्यू निकल गया. a बटा 2, a divided by 2, a upon 2 equals to beta 1. So I can even say equals to a equals to 2. Concept clear. b plus 1 equals to 5 beta b equals to 4. 5 minus 1 is all about a 4, right? ये वाला इसके साथ इक्वल्स टू ये वाला इसके साथ बन जाएगा, ये वाला इसके साथ बन जाएगा, ये वाला इसके साथ बनेगा, ये वाला इसके साथ बनेगा. बात खत्म. पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर. आई थिंक द कॉन्सेप्ट इज प्रीटी क्लियर. टू लेट अस टू अनदर एग्जांपल, राइट? सो एट द एंड आई वांट टू टेल यू समथिंग, यू ऑल पीपल, व्हिच आई कैन नॉट इवन से यू फ्रॉम द लॉन्ग टाइम. बहुत बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहा था वो वक्त, वो लम्हा, कि वो सब बात हम तुम्हें कह पाए. मिल गया है मौका तो कहने का. हम कुछ इस प्रकार तुम्हें कहना चाहते हैं, कुछ इस प्रकार तुम्हें कहना चाहते हैं. थैंक यू. थैंक यू कहना चाहते हैं. क्यों? इतना सपोर्ट करने के लिए, इतना मोटिवेट करने के लिए और इतना सारा लंबा लंबा मैसेजेस भेजने के लिए. थैंक यू एवरीवन, starting from all the states, the way you are sending such love and affection to me. I am, you know, I cannot even sleep at night. Thank you people for making me awake, and the way I am working right now, it's a very midnight right away, and this is all about I can say you. I cannot say apart from this anything more. Only thank you very much for such cooperation, and I will be remaining such dedicated to you all people. Thank you, thanks a lot. Thank you. और एक बार हम बोल रहे हैं, बेसब्री से इंतजार भी कर रहे थे बोलने के लिए, और अभी बोल रहे हैं, हमेशा बोलते रहेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. and I will be coming again stronger for the ICC people, for the ICC class 10 addition and subtraction of what बेटा matrices. अच्छा बैंकिंग का भी पढ़ा चुके हैं, बैंकिंग का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में, काइंडली गो एंड डू वॉच इट एंड चेक इट।